Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi ashabihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Honorable President, the chief guest of this program, respected teachers and my dear Madrasa Flaus, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is Islam. I hope you will listen my speech carefully, dear friends. Islam is a very important religion in the all over the world. It is the second largest religion in the world. Islam is an Arabic word meaning is peace and submission. The people who follow Islam want us Muslims. Muslims believe in the oneness. Now I finish